something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
Alright, what's up guys? Back for another vlog. Today's actually the last day that we're in Oregon. It's a sad day, but we're gonna enjoy it and make the most of it today. Today they're taking us over to Eugene, Oregon. It's about 2 hours away from Redmond where we're at right now, but apparently it's super beautiful and there's tons to see, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. And then let me show you who I got with me today. We got Monica, woo, Melanie, woo, Armando. I got Baile, say hi. I got Liz. And my mom's somewhere inside of her house getting ready. But we're ready to go, ready to enjoy the day and make the most of it. Like I said, today is our last day here, so we're pretty sad. But we do want to come back pretty soon. We loved it here. There's a ton of great views and lots to see. And yeah, we didn't find any cars while we were out here, but I didn't bring my own car, so I wasn't able to drive around. So maybe next time I'll bring my car. But we do plan on being back. So yeah, let's go. All right, you guys, so we just stopped at the gas station real quick. Check this out. So here in Oregon, you have someone pump your gas. You don't pump your gas yourself. And besides that, gas is like a whole $1 cheaper here. Yeah, what are we doing in California? I don't know.
It's $3.75 a gallon.
Alright, you guys, Mom stopped real quick so we can check out the view right here. The weather's really nice too. I'm not even wearing a sweater and it feels really, really good. Woo! Alright, what is this place? Ah, it smells like pine. Wow. You guys, hopefully you guys can see all of this because this is insane to see in person. Like, honestly, this view does not give it justice. So it says, can you trust your eyes? In front of you stands sharp peaked Mount Washington. To your far left sits dark cones shaped black but why do they look so different? Which one is older? I'm not sure. But check it out, down here in that little area there's a lake, and that lake runs down that way. the water from here looks like super green and blue, and let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, check it out. All that baby blue, that's all water, you guys. Insane. Let's go. That's Tacoma's mobbing, you guys. Alright, you guys, we found another viewpoint. It's Willamette National Forest viewpoint in Sahali Falls. So the car can't go over this, obviously. It's a little crazy. Let's go check it out, see what there is. Oh man, there's so many holes. Oh, my stepdad's getting his boots. He's probably smart. Alright, you guys. Oh man, there's some big ass tracks over here. I don't know what they belong to, but let's go check it out. Alright guys, I got my sweater, we're ready to go. Super slippery. And we're all, oh Melanie, your shoe girl. Alright, I gotta get a good fall on this video. I'm just kidding. I think down there. Hey you guys, check out these holes. They're like majorly deep in there, so we gotta be careful. Follow me. I know the way. Oh man. Woo! Oh, ay ay ay! All right, Melanie, careful. All right, you guys. Woo! It's slippery. You okay? You slide? Careful. There's a bridge right here. Let's see if we can cross it. Oh man. Almost stepped in some poop, you guys. I'm telling you, you guys gotta be careful out here. Watch out for the poop. Alright. I see a waterfall over there, you guys. But it's gonna take me a minute to get to it, so I'm going. You really are in nature out here by yourself. Like, yeah, this is crazy. I'm not going back. There's no way. Sorry, you guys. I'm gonna have to build like an off-road truck or something and turbo that be. You use the race car for the summer, you know. Okay. Whoa, what the heck? You guys, check this out. What do you think, Violet?
Good.
It's good? It's super nice. Check this out, you guys. Holy crap. Man, check that out. Slowing down, but the view here is amazing, you guys. I'm telling you. And the car is only like 5 minutes up. This is crazy, crazy. Oh shit, there's so much snow. She every time she steps and slides, you guys. She was like sliding away in slow motion. And she has snow boots. Super beautiful. Definitely coming back to find out what's at the bottom. I'm gonna post up down there next time. Right now, if I try to go down, I will definitely eat shit. Like I said, this. Oh man, I can't even like point the camera down because this is slippery. I'm telling you guys, I don't know. There's a more beautiful state. If you guys know somewhere, like maybe Washington, or let me know. I'll definitely make the trip out there because this is 100 times worth whatever I could have paid for a plane ticket just to be able to like see these things. And like I said, I used to drive like 40 minutes just to see like a little bit of nature. Oh shit. From where I live. And oh fuck. And it's not half as nice as this. Sorry, you guys, I keep slipping. Nike, you need to sponsor me with some boots.
What about me? I need some jackets.
Some jackets?
I need more jackets.
All right, Nike, we need some sponsorships with some jackets and some boots. You heard the girl. Make it happen. It's easier if you run. Let's go to the next spot, you guys. Check out these mountains, but let's go this way. Check out the lake down here, you guys. The water's crystal clear, goes all the way back there. Check it out. This is just on the side of the road, like nothing crazy. Someone that lives here, this is like an everyday thing. But to us, since we're from the city, I mean, it's super cool that a state can have this much nature just like everywhere. Not yet. Thank you. Also, this ice scared me when I stepped on it and like it started making noises. All the water underneath it like cracks. It sounds crazy. Oh man. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, this is insane. Super beautiful lake. People kayak there, no? Yeah. Oh, for swimming? Jesus. That's scary. And check out the mountains on top of this. Just like I said. Oh, super beautiful. Let's get out of here, you guys. Alright, you guys, so we're on a bridge right now. Underneath that bridge is a creek running. We're about to see what we can get into. Like, check out these trees, humongous. They tower above us super easily. Don't slip into the river because we're not gonna be able to pull you out. You're gonna be on your own. So, these are the kind of fish that you gotta release if you find them out here.
Why?
I don't know. Alright, so there's a boat launching area. You'll bring your boat, back it in right here. Beep, 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 beep. Check this out, you guys. Insane. This is my feet right here. Bam, bam, bam. Again, I don't think we're going back. Not with nature like this, bro. I don't want to go back to the city. Shit. Also, like, the roads are all really empty here, so I wouldn't mind doing a pull, you know, on an empty road over here, as long as it's summer and not sliding everywhere. Running away from me, you guys. We made it.
Violet dijo que te dejáramos aquí.
You were gonna leave me here, Violet?
And she's not gonna miss you, she said.
That was messed up.
And she said, bye-bye, Jay. Your first name.
That's messed up. So, looks like we're at a hot springs, you guys. Alright guys, check this out, we're like right here, right? And the river's flowing right beneath us. Check this out, kayak's about to pass, you guys. I'm telling you, people float through these rivers. Look at that. So sick. That looks super peaceful. Yeah. Say what's up to YouTube. And they're about to hit some rocky waters over there, you guys. So, geez, that must be so much fun. I cannot wait to buy a little cheap kayak. Like, maybe not too cheap so that we don't fall in. But I saw some good ones at Costco. Man, that seems like so much fun. Check this out, you guys. So you can be right here enjoying this beautiful view river, and then to the right there's, I'm not gonna show you too much for people's privacy, but there's hot springs right there. There's a really hot pool right there, and you can hang out and watch this whole beautiful place and enjoy your day here. It's amazing, honestly. You can see all the smoke going, but yeah, I won't show you too much just because people are in their bathing suits and we don't want to like make them feel uncomfortable, you know. Look at that water, the blues that come out of it are insane. Looks like I'm inside of a picture. And I believe the water in the hot springs is from the river itself, and it gets heated. I don't know if it's naturally heated up, but man. When you get to the end of it, you got a couple options, right? Tent camping, gardens, and there's wilderness trail. So like I said, there's so much to do. And then the steam from the hot water is right there. I don't know if it's natural or I'm not no expert, but the water is definitely boiling in there. And I believe that's the water that runs over there because that's smoking as well. Check out this view. No words I can say, everything will be an understatement. So there's a natural hot spring and you can see all the smoke coming up, but it exits down here by the river. I wonder if there's like more around this mountain. Watch out for the alligators. Man, that thing is nice. Super reflective, I can't even see inside. Is it cold? No. It's not cold?
Oh my god.
Ah! So we're gonna keep walking, see if we can find that garden. Shouldn't be too far, maybe a mile and a half or half a mile, something like that. What is that? A tree house? What? A tree house? Can I get a... Oh! What is that, Violet? I think it's for you to work, girl. We're gonna put you to work. You gotta get the water. We need the fresh water. There's the other window. Water flowing. There's Git. And in the open spot, there's snow. I'm telling you, you get all the seasons here. This one's for you guys. Ah! You guys are gonna get it. Ah! Alright, so this is that bottom of that like treehouse looking thing. There's that machine at the top. I'm not sure exactly what it does, but let's walk through here. You can see all the water. And holy crap. You guys see it down there? I'm just kidding, but yeah, I'm not sure. It seems like there was a spout going up or something at some point. The water must have connected. If anybody knows what it is, please comment in the comments. I'm sure it's gotta be a couple hundreds of years old. Maybe not hundreds, but 100 years old or so.
My guess is that the wheel on top, you would spin it around, and on the bottom it would like shoot down these little doors, so it would close it shut, and all the water that comes in would just, like a dam almost, like it would build up the water.
It will build up the water on the top, so that way it doesn't flow to the bottom, is what you're saying?
I assume, but it's not very big for this much water. I don't know. That's just a guess.
It's a small river. I don't think that it means that's something super huge.
If they wanted to slow down the flow.
Yeah. Alright, we found a random field of snow. I'm not sure where we're going, but it's deep. There's already water through my shoes, so whatevs. Can't get worse. Oh man, no. I got it in my ankles, you guys.
A few moments later.
So, check this out. You got a nice little pond, right? But on this side, you got a super relaxing. I wonder if like in the summer they let you just come over here and chill. I would assume. Just because they have so many like little spots that are like really calm compared to like where the river's flowing. But man, check this out. Beautiful. And as you guys can tell, we haven't really seen too many people around here. Actually, we haven't seen anyone at this trail other than the people that were by the pool. We haven't seen anybody walking, so you'll be able to enjoy these places all by yourself mostly, for the most part. Man, check out this garden, you guys. Looks like something from Rome or something. I'll go ahead and show you the rest of it, but and the water flows. And it flows this way. And we can walk this way, but I'm gonna show you guys this way so you guys can see more of the area. So the water's flowing pretty hard right here. Some stepping stones, we're gonna step on them, you guys. Woo! What do you think, Liz? This thing probably shoots up at some point. Probably don't want it freezing right now, so it's not really working it. Wow, it's like some sort of like relic. It has a super like ancient feeling to it. It's super cool. You're out in the middle of nature, you know, empty, like I said. It's hard to compare this. You still want to go back? California. Yeah.
Cadillac.
Say it. What's it say?
The river of Christ flows straight through the heaven's gates. The Batmobile is a black on black Escalade. The heaven's gates is covered with goddesses named the Answers and Comethazine?
And Comethazine?
I think so.
Pull up to the light. Glock 17 and some green lights. I think this was a song. I think these are rap lyrics.
Melanie said she found it, but I think she left it here.
These are rap. This is a song. So there's someone's rap lyrics. So if you recognize this, my boy, we found your rap
We
lyrics.
found it here.
I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there for you. Oh hell no. Man, you guys. Alright, so we're walking back. Woo! That was an amazing hike. I don't want to go home, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna keep going. We got some more cool spots to show you, and this is just like, I'm telling you, it's from one spot to the next to the next. It's not like California where you have to drive 30 minutes, an hour to go find something beautiful. You'll see it all here. So yeah, we're gonna get back to the car and keep on going. Catch you guys right now. All right, you guys. So we're in Eugene. This is Skinner Butte, or B-U-T-T-E, however you pronounce it. We're at that park. We just arrived. There's supposed to be a really beautiful view from up here. You're supposed to keep climbing and whatnot, but as you guys can see, it is super foggy. You can't see nothing?
Yeah.
Wow. From beginning to
From Bonneville to Stonehenge, there is a novel written in stone, built by the ancient giants, that is a
metaphor
with an E.
for humanity. Man, I mean, it's still beautiful, it's still nice, but yeah, you can't really see much. So it looks like down here is like an old basketball court or something. Yeah, you got some woods over here. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. Skinner Butte Observatory. Man, what a bummer, we're not gonna be able to see much. And yeah, we'll keep it going. If there wasn't so much fog, you'd probably be able to see something like back there, some city or something, but yeah, no luck. It's like a wall of fog, you can't see nothing. Someone's got that dank.
I know, I'm about to make a mix with her.
Alright guys, so we're on the way home already. There wasn't much to see just because it's so freaking foggy. And it's still really foggy, and we're like 30 minutes away from where we were. And it's still super foggy. But we stopped on the side of the road because, you know, we found a ton of really good spots on the way here. And we found another one. Check it out. Say hi, Mama. Ooh. Alright, so this is called the This is called the Calapooia watershed. The Calapia watershed is made up of basin of land drained by the Calapia River and its tributaries. So yeah, it protects water resources, provides renewable resources, reduces soil erosion. It provides fish and wild habitat, and it provides recreational and natural beauty. And that's for damn sure, because check it out, it's freaking beautiful over here. What is a watershed? A watershed, everyone is part of a watershed, and McKirker Park is part of the Calapia watershed. A watershed is an area of land drained by a river and its tributaries. The watershed takes its name from the Calapia River, which begins with forested foothills and Cascade Mountains flowing west from the Willamette Valley, eventually joining the Willamette River in Albany. So, we're taking some pictures at the nice view. Oh, what the heck? Alright, you guys, check this out. This is insane. So yeah, you guys, car's up there, but man, this place is beautiful. And this camera can't even capture it all. That's the worst part. Alright, should I go first? Okay. Alright, you guys, so oh man, it's cold. Alright, we're gonna go down this trail to make it down there somehow. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. It's like rock climbing, you guys. Alright, I made it. Woo! Come on, you guys can do it. So yeah, check it out. Man, what? With the fog, it looks even crazier. So yeah, check this out. This is insane, you guys. I'm telling you, these are just like on the side of all the roads and stuff. Nothing, apparently nothing abnormal, but to me this is all super, super beautiful. And like I said, it goes down that way. If you go this way. Bam! Okay. Alright, we're gonna have to climb this tree to get to this side. Alright. Man, look at that. And then the fam's over there. They haven't been able to cross yet. They're trying to make it, but this water is crystal clear. It makes you want to just jump in and go for a dive. And then there's spots where it's like kind of calm, you know? But over there it looks kind of crazy. It still looks like a ton of fun. Really, really beautiful, you guys. Except it's freaking cold. And I'm not used to it. Comment below if you guys have been to Oregon. If you haven't, let me know how you guys are feeling it, because I am loving it. Cannot say it enough. Look at this. So over here looks like there's a rock where possibly if you stand on it you might be above the water, but it's definitely deep in here. But a kayak, imagine just posting up, or like with some, I don't know, tires. You guys, this is insane. It's insane. It's insane. It's insane to say the least. Check it out. Look at that. Who doesn't want to go swimming? Looks kind of crazy right there. But, oh man. Who's gonna swim? Oh, what is that? You think we find some starfish? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna take a wild jump. This is where rock climbing comes in handy. Oh. Oh. What happened? I didn't see any beavers, but watch out because they be getting crazy. Alright, so we gotta go back the way we came from. The water's so still here. Alright, you guys, so we gotta climb up. Let's see how we do this one hand so I can hold the camera. I got it. I'm a rock climbing expert, you guys. I'm just a locked out kook. Woo! Imagine driving past that and not even seeing it. That would suck. All right, you guys, we finally made it home.
Yay!
Oh, to my mom's. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. All right, you guys, we finally made it back. The adventure is over. We're home. Today was our last adventure, unfortunately.
Why?
And yeah, we're really saddened that we had to go, but our flight leaves tomorrow at 4 a.m. Had a ton of fun while we were here, saw a ton of beautiful places, and can't wait to come back, honestly. Gonna make it happen somehow, but yeah, we're gonna keep dropping these videos, keep making bangers with cars and whatnot, and we'll catch you on the next time. Peace.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.